Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by laying the base and collecting parts so you can build without pausing. Place a 10x10 stone foundation and mark a central column. That column will house wiring and stairs. Once done, stack a 1x1 core to your planned height and space horizontal rings for floors. Make sure to set aside repeaters and redstone dust near the build. Those will run the rotating light. You need a daylight sensor only if you want automatic on-off cycles at sunset. You now wire the rotating light mechanism into the core. Build an 8-step redstone loop at the top with repeaters set to 2 ticks each to simulate rotation. Position torches or pistons on alternating sides as the visible beacon. Once done, route vertical redstone down the core using slab gaps so torches don't burn out and signals carry. Make sure to include a hopper clock or comparator loop. If you prefer a timed sweep, you finish by attaching lamps to each ring and linking them to the corresponding redstone outputs. Test each segment so the sweep lights in order. Once satisfied, add internal stairs, exterior windows, and railings for safety. Conceal wiring behind walls to prevent accidental breaks. If the light doesn't rotate, check repeater delay values, verify redstone dust continuity with no missing pieces, and watch for block updates that can desync clocks. Reset the hopper clock and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.